Hello. This video is designed to explain how to create and insert a chart into an Excel spreadsheet. We have already put together some data showing the months of the year in column A and expenses for each month in column B. Once you have entered all of your data, you have to tell Excel which data you want to include in your chart. We do this by selecting all of the data, including the labels at the tops of the columns. After the data is selected, we click on the Insert choice at the top of the toolbar. This gives us a whole new group of choices on the toolbar, but we are only interested in this selection labeled Charts. The first option is Recommended Charts, and you would click on that if you want to see what Excel recommends that you use. We prefer to make a bar chart, so we will click on Column. The first choice is a clustered column chart, and when we click on that, Excel places the chart into the spreadsheet. Sometimes you may have to move it or make it larger in order to see it better. The chart has the months of the year from left to right with the dollar amounts from bottom to top, and that is what we want. If you wish to change the look of any of the parts of the chart, make sure the chart is selected and then click Chart, which will give you the Chart Tools menu. Next, choose the individual item you wish to change, such as the chart title. The Format choice on the right side of the toolbar gives you more options for changing the look of the different parts of the chart. We suggest that you play around with the chart tools and find the tools that are most useful for your needs. Thank you for watching this video and be sure to take advantage of any of the other videos in the series.